Welcome to HubofkidsPs. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel.
The clever lamb and the hungry wolf. A young lamb was drinking water at the edge of a stream. Nearby, a hungry wolf emerged from the bushes. The wolf licked his chops, thinking, "What a delicious and tender meal this lamb will make today. I shall make him my prey." He began to approach the water's edge. As the lamb drank, he suddenly felt a surge of fear. He remembered his mother's warning about the dangers of the forest when one is alone. Realizing he was in trouble, the lamb kept his wits about him. He was very intelligent and decided to use his head to survive. The wolf, trying to find an excuse to attack, growled, "How dare you muddy the water I am drinking?" The lamb calmly replied, "Sir, that is impossible. I am drinking from downstream, and the water flows from you to me. How could I possibly make your water dirty?" The wolf realized his trick wasn't working, but he was determined to trap the lamb. Seeing this, the lamb's eyes scanned the surroundings. In the distance, he spotted 3 woodcutters. He knew that in this difficult moment, only they could save him. The lamb decided to stall for time. He pretended to be apologetic, saying, "Oh, please forgive me. I am so sorry if I have muddied your water. Let me tell you a story to make amends." The lamb kept the wolf busy with his chatter, spinning a tale to keep him occupied while the woodcutters drew closer. When the woodcutters finally saw the wolf trying to hunt the innocent lamb, they rushed over to help. They beat the wolf and chased him deep back into the forest. Safe at last, the lamb breathed a sigh of relief. "Thank God I was saved today," he thought. "Otherwise, I would have lost my life. I truly should have listened to my mother." He returned home and told his mother everything that had happened. His mother looked at him and said, "I warned you for a reason. I hope you have learned a lesson from this experience." The lamb nodded. "Yes, mother, I have learned my lesson. I will never go into the forest alone again." The moral of the story: we should always listen to our elders. When they advise us against something or tell us to stay away from a certain place, it is for our own safety and well-being. If you like the story, please subscribe my channel.